Good morning, friends. Uh, Before we begin the journey to PhD, let us just know what PhD journey is like. Is it something that is going to take you to the final destination, or is it going to be something which is the beginning of an ultimate destination? It's a journey which is less traveled because the kind of qualification that PhD imparts is not something that all careers are looking for. There are plenty of qualifications that can provide you employment, and that is where a degree like a bachelor's degree, which gives you the general knowledge about the particular subject, and then people move on to the master's qualification to acquire the advanced knowledge. But both these qualifications do take you to a career which may not lead you to academics ultimately. If somebody is aspiring to reach higher goals, higher paying jobs in academics, they have to go through the journey of PhD. PhD is just the beginning. It tells the world what you can do, what you have done, and what you can add to which others can refer to. With this, we begin. Then, what is this doctorate degree? What is the difference between a bachelor's degree, a master's degree, and a doctorate degree? As I told you, bachelor's is general knowledge in a particular field, master's is advanced knowledge in a particular field, but doctorate is the license to teach. It's the license that allows you to get into a university and you start teaching the field of your choice, of your area, where you are supposed to be having a command over. Has it got switched off? Then what is a doctorate degree? As the name implies, the term doctorate comes from the Latin word docere, which means to teach. It is the highest level of degree which the academic provide and takes you. People are all aware of something called as the medical doctor, somebody who has an MD, which is the medical doctorate. But a doctorate can be acquired in any field, in any area which you are passionate about. Normally people may want to pursue a PhD preceding PhD after their masters. Having acquired a master's degree from a valid recognized university, one can proceed for a PhD, and it would take you about 3 to 5 years to complete your doctorate. Doctorate, not necessary that it is only a medical doctor. Doctorate can be acquired in the field of arts, science, commerce, mathematics, engineering, management. It can be in the field of music, art, culture. So doctorate is not just confined to pure sciences or medicine. It can be acquired in many more fields. It's the doctorate in philosophy related to all these areas. The difference between any other qualification and a doctoral qualification is that for a doctorate you are required to submit thesis. Though there are lots of online programs available, there are online doctorates which are more towards the professional kind of a qualification to take you into the field of business. However, a proper doctorate qualification would come only after the submission of thesis, and thesis means research. So this also implies that one gets into research, and research is nothing but where you can add your own knowledge to already existing knowledge, and others can refer to it for their further knowledge. And that is where, as I repeat, that PhD is the beginning. You test ideas, you add new ideas, and that is what you give to others to add to their knowledge and to add more knowledge to what you have already done and take further for research. So it is just the beginning of what further research you can do. People may want to pursue research with the idea of exploring something, of finding out something, but unless and until research translates into a commercial purpose or takes it to business, we cannot bring academia and business together. Research with pure science, which is generally referred to as basic research, is something which people do to understand a phenomena. Scientists will generally not believe in anything that is true unless and until it is tested, and that is where there is something called as a basic research and there is something called as an applied research. If we look at the doctorate degree, if you want to pursue your doctorate in anthropology or in any of the behavioral sciences, the methodology opted for it is different, and that methodology would vary from the kind of research which a pure science or a basic research would include. However, there are various types of research designs and methodologies which one would consider based on what you are trying to study or explore. Research is a systematic process of collecting data, analyzing data, increasing our understanding of the phenomena that we are trying to study. No research is complete unless and until the data is interpreted, and that interpretation brings about your views and your thoughts which you add to something which is already tested by you. And when you interpret and when you add, that is where you bring in new knowledge for people to refer to and people to test it further and add more to it. The aims of research is generally to describe a phenomena, to observe a phenomena. Based on the observation and the data that one collects, you can predict what is likely to happen, determine the cause of a particular phenomena, and explain why and how it occurred. As I told you that there is a difference between the basic research and applied research. Basic research is generally to identify functional relationships or irregularities, may not have immediate relevance, critical to the survival of applied research, whereas applied research normally looks at problem solving, helping clients, and it is based on basic research. The types of research would include, as I said, applied and basic. Then there is the designs would include descriptive, experimental, exploratory, historical research, qualitative research, quantitative research. I reiterate that for any research to be meaningful and to be helpful, it should be commercialized and it should be taken where business results can be got and business can enhance using the research findings, ultimately leading to wealth generation for the country, for the nation. Thank you. Is that okay? कितना 15 मिनट हुए नहीं हुए? टाइमिंग देखो.
नहीं 9 मिनट हुआ है.